Hello and welcome again. Now we are going to take another scenario where we are going to see how we can use generative artificial intelligence or generative AI in our lead generation process. And for that, let me walk you through the problem statement first. Let's assume, as a sales manager or lead manager, you have received information in a language other than English. And it's very much likely nowadays because we run global business. We have business within our country and outside as well. And your team does not understand the language but really want to convert this into a lead. And since your team is regional team, it's a local team, they do not understand Hindi or Telugu or say Kannada or French or Spanish for that matter. But you have received some lead around that. So, are you going to lose a possible lead just because your team doesn't understand that language? No, it should not be. This is where generative AI comes. Now you can say, well, what is new? We have Google Translator that already exists. I know it exists, but generative AI goes a step further to provide even higher quality of translation, and post that translation content is created, you can use that for lead generation. So what I'm going to do right now is use another tool called Copilot for translating and working on lead generation for this content. So which content? Okay, let me walk you through the content first. So we have received some inquiry data from our websites or from the social media pages in Hindi language. इट सेज हे, मेरा नाम राहुल शर्मा है और मैं सो एंड सो कंपनी से हूं। हम दिल्ली में स्थित हैं और 20 जून से शुरू होने वाले एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आपके सिंक्रो टूल जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर विकल्पों की खोज कर रहे हैं। सी इवन आई एम नॉट दैट ग्रेट इन हिंदी, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू read it out. Now, what we are going to do is here we have a tool called Copilot. We're going to use Copilot to translate this content and generate lead out of this. So I'm going to provide a message which we call as prompt. Can you translate the content in Hindi to English and place just after the original Hindi content? So I'm asking, can you translate the content in Hindi to English and place just after the original Hindi content? Let's see what it does. Okay, excellent. Now it says it has translated, hi, my name is Rahul Sharma and I'm from Blue Sky Tech. We are based in Delhi and exploring software options like your Sync Pro tool for a project starting on June 20th. So, this is its original Hindi content. It looks promising. Now, if we are okay with this translation, we will insert it. So, we have inserted it here. Now, you can see our original content versus the translated content. This is your original content. This is your translated content. This is original content. This is translated content. Now just think of the scenario. Now this Copilot artificial intelligence tool does this work just within few fraction of seconds and without going away from your Word document. If you use Google Translator, what you'll have to do, you'll have to copy the content to Google Translate, or kind of in a way add a Google Translate, add into the Word document and get it translated, which is little tedious task. It's not that easy or straightforward. But here it's absolutely simple. I hope you agree with me. Now, since we have translated the content, let's again ask Copilot, can you generate some lead out of these translated content? I'm a sales manager and looking for insights for my products. So I'm asking Copilot, the AI tool, to generate lead for me, or to at least to start with some insights out of the comments. Let's see what it does. Now you see within the content, out of four sections, it created first it says Blue Sky Tech Delhi, contact Rahul Sharma, interest simple tool, project start date, so and so date, Green Power Solutions, Bangalore, Power Tech Mumbai, and News of Pune. So now you can see out of this unstructured text how conveniently, how easily it categorized the information in a readable format, which is very much easier now for you to kind of send an email to the contact person to understand what they are looking for, and it also proposes the specific action that you need to take. Send detailed information about Sync Pro tool and follow up on their project requirements. Here it says provide comprehensive details about Data Vault product and discuss their cloud storage needs. I'm sure now you will agree with me. Earlier we had just Hindi content which we are not able to understand, but within fraction of seconds by using Copilot generative AI tool, we translated them accurately as well as generated insights or the sales leads out of that. Is it not easy? Much easier than what we used to do earlier? And Copilot can do much more things around lead generation. So let's discuss about that. Thank you.